my channel. I'm Victoria, and for my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I will be showing you how I set my table. Setting a table is very important. Just as hosting, I take hosting very seriously, and hosting is important. It's a joy to me to host someone at my home for dinner or brunch or afternoon tea. So I will be showing you how I set my table. The first step in setting a table stylish is to pick your linen. What are you up for? Tablecloth, a table runner, or go neutral? It's up to you, but I suggest something festive. If you opt for them, a placemat should be set out at every seat with enough space between them for your guests to move about while eating. This one may seem like a no-brainer, but the plate always goes directly in the center of the placemat. If you're serving salad, a smaller salad plate goes directly on top of the plate. If you're finally hosting a big formal Thanksgiving, Christmas, you may want to add a few extras. A bread plate, for example, is placed above the fork. Now we finally get to the hard part, cutlery. First, the fork should always go to the left of the plate or next to your napkin on the left. Next, the knife goes to the right of the plate with the blade facing the plate. Spoon goes to the right of the knife. Make sure all your cutlery line up from the bottom perfectly. Your drinking glass should always go right above the knife to the upper right of your plate. If you have a wine glass, it should go next to the right of the water glass. Now for your napkins, your couple of ways, or you could just make your napkin a work of art. Mine is the easier way. You can fold your napkin, place it on your left to your plate, and place your fork on top of it. Or you could just fold your napkin, place your ring on it, and place it on top of your solid plate. Okay, now that we're all finished, if you want your table to have that feel finishing look, a centerpiece is a must. There are many different types of centerpiece. Your flowers arrangement shouldn't be too tall, as they can limit the conversation across the table. Because many people are allergies to fragrance, it's best to opt for a low scent flower. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy hosting. I know I do. I enjoy hosting my friends and my family throughout the year. So from my home to your home, have a wonderful holiday.